परम वंदनीय, प्रातस्मरणीय, most revered entire Guru Parampara, one of the most beautiful souls, our respected and revered Pujya Shri Shri Ji, respected Yogi Raj Ji, dear Divine Soul Sadhvi Bhagavati Ji, my dear musicians, my sisters and brothers. Today, first of all, happy and blissful Guru Purnima to you all. And to those who are connected through internet, internet, and intranet. Today is a day of grace. Today is a day of gratitude. As respected Shri Shri Ji said, let there be tears of gratitude. A day of gratitude. A day of introspection and reflections. When I came here at the first darshan in the morning, 10 o'clock, and he said, maybe last night we want to talk to each other when I came late, and he said, there are no cell phone connections. I said, yes, it's good. We don't need here cell connection. What I felt here is a soul connection. And when there is a soul connection, you don't need cell connections. You need soul connection. Soul connection and soul connection, which is very solid connection. All other connections may come and go. But soul connection, they say in India, is life after life. Life after life, and that's why you are here, to find that soul connection. To become soulmate. And Guru Purnima is the day which gives us this message, full moon. How moon became full? Moon is a stone. Moon is a rock. How moon became full? That's what we have to contemplate today. Our Sadhvi Ji gives a beautiful simile. Moon is a stone, is a rock. And then rock becomes full. Rock becomes enlightened, illuminated, and gives light to all. How this is possible? But let me tell you, you're very lucky. I don't want to pave a new road. I want to pave a road. The path is already paved. I want to walk on that. And he has paved that road for you all. You are very lucky. In that slab, always remember, ठोकर यदि किसी पत्थर से खाई है मैंने तो मंजिल का निशा भी उसी ठोकर से मिला है. This is Guru. This is Sadguru. After every ठोकर, you can see the Thakur. After every Leela, you can see the Lala, mean the divine. After every slap, you always feel that at least where the slap is coming from. Where the slap is coming from? Guru. Even he is giving you the slap, but remember, with that slap, don't forget the lap. You are sitting in his lap. Don't forget that lap. Only those can have slap who are able, and he make them able to sit in his lap. It's not easy. You need, not for that, degrees, no certificates. You need yourself. You need your surrender to be in that lap, to sit in that lap. In life also, we feel sometime when the time comes of trials and turbulences, there are conflicts come in our life, we always see, why to me? I am so close to him, so much meditation, advanced course. Sudarshan Kriya, Shakti Kriya, every Kriya, then to me? Why to me? And I am so close, so close to him. I feel him here. Then why to me? Always remember, there is a plan, and there is a divine plan. Guru always has a divine plan for you. Maybe it's because of our tunnel vision. We can't see it. We can see only this much. Even I am sitting now here, or you are sitting there. You can't sit behind you even. What is behind you? Only you can see what is in front of you. How you can see? Only you can see the one part of the picture, not the whole picture. But there is a picture. There is a full story. Maybe we don't understand the story. We don't understand. We can't see the plan. But there is a plan. So always feel lucky. Whatever comes to you, and go with that flow. And flow is going to be there. Flow is on. How we respond to that flow depends on us. That's what vision is given by the Divine Master. One thing, it is our own response which makes us miserable or joyful. Whether we react to the plan, reject the plan, or accept the plan. Whether we give reaction to the plan or we respond to the plan, our response makes us joyful and makes us miserable. He said misery. I'm just taking those words only, one by one. That misery, how it can make you free. Misery also can make you flee if you can see that blow. That blow is there, the slap is there, but behind that blow, hand also is there. From where that blow is coming, with that blow, you can really feel that glow which comes from that hand of the Guru. With the grace of the Guru, feel that glow, not the blow, and that is Guru Purnima. Whenever it happens, with every blow, after every blow, you can feel the glow. That is Guru Purnima. Last. When I came last time, it was Guru Purnima, it was boon. The land of boon. And to me, when I came here last night, the devotee said, unfortunately, she asked, is there Wi-Fi? They said, very less. Maybe sometime from the next chalet you will find connection, but very slow Wi-Fi. But let me tell you, when I came last night, my experience, there is a land of boon. And here is a land, it's not only land of boon, it's a land of Mahaboon. Really. Last night when I came here, it was such a beautiful, I just wanted to sit down. I observed silence anyway after 10 o'clock. So I went to my room. When I opened my silence when I came, in the morning also, first thing, I gave the signal, I think it's a beautiful land. Gave the signal to Sadhviji that automatically, it's not that you have to plan it, you have to attend the class, or you have to pretend that you are in the class. Wherever you are, class happens. That kind of beautiful land of meditation, to me, it is not a piece of land. Somebody planned for it. Whether for boon, or for here, somebody planned for it, and land was waiting for the land master. Land was waiting. And even man didn't know. Every year he was adding something. For whom? And the day comes, and the land master comes. And land is just given to him. And so this is not a piece of land. It's a land of peace. And for that, find that connection, which is very important. Mere attending the class, my dear, Kriya, Shakti Kriya, Sudarshan Kriya, or any Kriya, the biggest Kriya is when you find that connectivity with the Guru, with that grace, that connection which connects you, keeps you anchored, keeps you grounded all the time, whether you are in boon, whether you are here, that your whole life becomes boon. That is Guru Purnima. Find that connection. That's why I said, you are lucky. God bless you. Thank you.